Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to copy, move, delete, and rename a worksheet in Excel. To copy a sheet in Excel within the same workbook, place your cursor over the sheet name at the bottom left corner, right-click, click on Move or Copy, click inside the Create a Copy checkbox. Click OK. You will now see a copy of your sheet within the same workbook. We will rename the copied worksheet. Right-click over the second sheet. Click on Rename, type List 2, press Enter. To create a copy of the sheet into a brand new workbook, place your cursor over the sheet. Right-click, click on Move or Copy, click on the Book to drop-down, and select New Book. Click on the Create a Copy checkbox. Click OK. This will copy your sheet into a new workbook. To create a copy of the sheet into a previously saved workbook, first open the saved workbook. Click on File and choose your workbook. This workbook already has 6 sheets. Go back to your existing workbook, right-click on the sheet you'd like to copy, click on Move or Copy. Under the To Book dropdown, select the saved workbook. Click on the Create a Copy checkbox. Click OK. You will now see a copy of your worksheet inside the previously saved workbook. To delete a sheet, place your cursor over the sheet name. Right-click, click on Delete. The pop-up box will confirm if it's okay to permanently delete the sheet. Click Delete. The sheet is now deleted from the workbook. To copy the sheet into a specific place in a workbook, right-click on the sheet. Click on Move or Copy. Under the To Book dropdown, select the saved workbook. Under the Before Sheet box, you can see the 6 sheets within the selected workbook. Click on Sheet 3. Click on the Create a Copy checkbox. Click OK. You will now see that your sheet is copied into the selected workbook before the 3rd sheet. To move the sheet into a brand new workbook, place your cursor over the sheet. Right-click, click on Move or Copy. Click on the Book To dropdown and select New Book. This time, we will not click into the Copy checkbox. We will simply click OK. This will move the sheet into the new workbook. To move the sheet into a previously saved workbook, place your cursor over the sheet. Right-click, click on Move or Copy. Click on the Book To dropdown and select the saved workbook. Leave the Copy checkbox blank. Click OK. Your sheet is now moved to the previously saved workbook. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.